Seek ye first the kingdom of God, as it says in Matthew 6:33-34. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Take therefore no thought for the morrow shall take thought for the things of itself. Sufficient unto the day is the evil thereof. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that when we believe God, start every morning to seek first the kingdom of God. Seek first the Lord who will go with you today, so you are feeling safe and secure in God's hand and protection.